Hello, this Silverwood playground. It start be a lot of people today. Fish trout, and then people come kick back. Bom ổn nó trong một lên nhưng from đam chơi thế vậy trong rừng tôm nông côn mình mà đào lên mà hay là nên lại chu tu tiếp. There's Kalang Marina, chu tu tụi trai chu tu đào lên. Picnic table. This Silverwood Lake Silverwood. Bom ổn ở trong một lên và ở ngoài bị Senegal máu thả tí máu nữa mà nó camping area vậy nó can overnight a book. You have to book in first. Call yoga line nhá. Move mà này. $9:30, no fish bite. Trout bite early in the morning. I got a couple of trout. Supposed to get a lot, but no time. My friend over here tries to play with me or what? Come here. Okay. Like it's a lot of people here today. Early, now they're gone. Couple kids down there. Cái lạnhខ្ញុំស្ទួយបាត់មានប្រឡប់ទៀតមានប្រឡប់តែអត់ទាន់បានត្រីបាទមានបៀទេបាទមានសូដាMustard and Mallow. Drink beer. Mình trong drink beer, kick back. Mình drink from Auckland. Đúng rồi, try CMC hả? Một cái CMC ấy mới trong nào. Yeah. Try to put YouTube. No, I got 2 trout early morning.
Okay. How many poles do you have up?
I got 2, and my girl go bathroom right now.
She have a license on her?
Yeah. I got everywhere.
Oh, cool.
Even in Arizona too.
Oh, right on. As long as you have a license, man. I'm just trying to check everybody. You got the year, you got the second pole.
Yeah, I got 2 poles. June 3rd. What's that? June 3rd, 62?
There you go. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Have a good day.
Almost 60 years old now. Alright.
Have a good one. Thank you.
You too. Nè. Ẩm này.
hay không?
Anh có xía nha. Cho anh bùi nè.
Cái nào sẽ bị
Nè. Nhai rồi nè.
bia mới được chọc xỉ.
Shiny low. I know what to call it. Another trout. There's a lot of people fishing with it for the trout. Now I got another bite. Trout right here. Beautiful trout. Ooh. See how beautiful. This house number 2. It's probably here. Ok, ở lâu nayខ្ញុំមកដល់ផ្ទះហើយចៀនត្រីហើយបុកល្ហុងសមមកគុណណាLook good